As the probe on illegal pogos continues, more information is unearthed on the undeniable link between dismissed Bamban Mayor Alice Guo and other personalities involved in the shady venture that have yet to be accounted for. Meanwhile, a law enforcement agency is studying an option that may allow authorities to acquire more solid evidence against all those involved. What that is, Daniel Manalastas divulges in this report.
Senator Shervin Gatchalian did some name-dropping whom he believes may be involved in Alice Guo's escape.
So pagkaalam ko, si Duan Ren.
Dalawa po siya.
Si Duan Ren ang isa sa mga active personalities dun sa movement nila sa Indonesia. Si Wang Ziyan yung isa. Tapos meron pang isa si Jiang Xie, who's an incorporator of Zunyuan. President ng Lucky South. Nag-book ng hotel, nag-facilitate ng travels, may mga contact on the ground. Interestingly, doon sa video, yung pag-raid, yung kinuha si Go Huaping, di ba? May raid. May mga, narinig ko sa behind the background, may mga Chinese na nagsasalita eh. Hindi Indonesian, mga Chinese. So obviously, yung contact rin ni Go Huaping doon, mga Chinese rin.
And on Wang Ziyang, the senator shared some details about him, believed to be one of the Pogo big bosses, and his potential links with Alice Guo.
Ang very sure ako, kasama siya sa mga money laundering organized crime. Itong taong to may 5 passport to, kaya nakakaikot to ng maluwag eh. Pwede siyang pumunta Europe, pwede siyang pumunta anywhere, no? Pwede siyang umikot. At nabalitaan namin na nasa Hong Kong siya ngayon. Si Wang Ziyang kasi nakita namin sa maraming dokumento eh. Number 1, nakita namin siya doon sa, you remember yung raid sa Sun Valley, sa Fontana/Sun Valley. Andun yung pangalan niya sa incorporation papers ng Sun Valley. Tapos nag-appear ulit doon sa Banban Pogo Hub, particularly sa Baopu. At obviously, malaki yung kanyang ginawa, no? Ganyan kanyang papel doon sa pagtakas nila Alice Guo at yung grupo nila sa Malaysia. No? Hindi ko pa masabi ngayon kung siya yung pinaka-big boss, no? But so far, boss siya. At so far, nakikita namin involved siya dito sa tatlong Pogo Hub nito.
Gatchalian sees Guo keeping mum or tight-lipped in the next hearing. But he is confident on the pieces of evidence and documents they have. Meanwhile, the Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commission received a tip from witnesses over the bodies of foreign nationals allegedly buried in the Porac Pogo Hub.
Para ma-exhume yung mga bodies kung meron man doon sa mga tinuro nilang sites. Nakapag-coordinate tayo sa different embassies, Chinese embassy, Vietnamese embassy. Meron sila mga list ng mga missing persons, foreign nationals. And doon namin ibabangga kung sakali mang may makukuha kaming mga bodies o mga remains doon sa mga grave sites na yon.
When asked about Wang Ziyan,
si Wang Ziyang, pinaila namin yan ng qualified trafficking, and money laundering. And siya talaga yung partner ni Alice Guo. Isa sa mga partners ni Alice Guo. And si Wang Ziyang din, yan yung isa sa mga tumulong kay Alice Guo para nung nasa labas na siya.
Justice Secretary Jesus Crispin Remulla said they are aware of Guo's alleged offer for their protection. Strangely enough, former Senator Panfilo Lacson shared almost the same information.
Yung sinasabi kasi ni Senator Lacson, pinapersonan namin yan dati tayo. We were aware that there's more to it. I guess it will be in the billions. Marami siyang support. Talagang, ewan ko kung saan nagagaling.
Guo's camp responded.
Kasi ang gusto ko, kung meron kang sinasabing ganyan, patunayan mo na lang. Huwag na tayong mag-allege, silabas mo na lang ebidensya.
Daniel Manalastas from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.